Hey Visioneers, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll show you how to use CapCut on PC to edit videos quickly and professionally. CapCut is free, beginner-friendly, and packed with features you'd normally only find in expensive editing software. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to CapCut.com. From here, you can either use the web editor or download the desktop app for Windows or Mac. I recommend downloading the desktop version for smoother performance. Once installed, open the app and you'll see the CapCut dashboard. Click on New Project to start editing. This takes you to the main editing workspace. Here, the layout is very similar to professional editors. On the left, you'll find your media library for importing videos, images, and music. In the middle is the preview window where you can see your edits in real time. And at the bottom is the timeline where you'll arrange and edit your clips. Let's import some footage. Just drag and drop your video clips into the media library, then pull them onto the timeline. You can cut clips by selecting them and pressing Ctrl+B or using the scissors tool. To remove unwanted parts, highlight the clip and press delete. Next, let's add transitions. Between two clips, click the small square icon and choose from fade, slide, glitch, and more. These transitions help your video flow smoothly. Now let's work on text and titles. Go to the text tab, pick a style and drag it onto the timeline. You can adjust fonts, colors, and animations. CapCut even has auto captions. Just go to text, auto captions, select your language, and CapCut will automatically generate subtitles. For music and sound effects, head to the audio tab. You can either upload your own files or explore CapCut's free library. To sync music perfectly, drag it under your video on the timeline and adjust the length. One of the best features of CapCut is effects and filters. Go to the effects tab, drag an effect onto your clip and preview it instantly. You'll find cinematic looks, glitch effects, slow motion, and even AI background removers for green screen style edits. Speaking of AI, CapCut PC also includes AI features like background removal, resizing for different platforms, and auto enhancements. For example, if you want to remove the background of a clip, select it, click remove background, and the AI cleans it up automatically. Once you're happy with your edit, it's time to export. Click the export button at the top right. Here you can choose the resolution, frame rate, and quality. Usually 1080p at 30 frames per second is good for YouTube or social media. Finally, click export and your video will be saved to your computer ready to share. And that's it. You've just learned how to edit videos on CapCut for PC. From importing clips and adding text to applying effects and exporting. With just a little practice, you can make professional looking videos without paying for expensive software. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more video editing guides, and comment below what feature of CapCut you want me to cover in detail next.